Hey guys, today we are going to the bridge. I will ask my friend to TP to me when we're at the area. But yeah, I am so excited to make this neon. The time has come. I am so excited to make this neon. Let's go, I don't even care anymore. Like us. Everyone, we made a neon. This is all recorded. I am so happy. I can't believe that I made a new neon. Watch this, we can still ride. We can still ride and fly her. Okay, now we're gonna help my friend make her mega neon, so I will. Thanks for watching this beautiful day. Goodbye.